Hey, what's poppin', everybody? I'm out and about. I'm actually headed to my dog King Kilo TV, man. I'm gonna put his link somewhere up here. Make sure y'all subscribe to him. But he's been on his game when it comes to these hooping sneakers. Like, he's got every job, every shade, pretty much every shade. He's been on the AEs and stuff like that. I think he just caught some Sabrinas and all that good stuff. But he been copping all the hooping sneakers, and I was like, hey, let me pull up, and I want to record all these Halloween sneakers that just dropped. So since it's the week of Halloween, I figured this would be perfect timing. But before we get into this content, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, as we go through the way this video is gonna go, we're gonna pull up to his crib and we're just gonna talk about all these Halloween sneakers. You know what I'm saying? The Jais, the KDs, the books, and all that stuff. We're gonna talk about these, and I want you guys to comment down below and let me know which one of these pairs is y'all favorite pairs. You know what I'm saying? He's gonna give me his input. I think he's hooped in most of them, so he's got a lot of input. And make sure y'all check into his content, man. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start this vlog. Let's go. All right, so I had to make a quick pit stop for my boy King Kilo, pick up this package for him. So, you know, we're going to show y'all real quick. Y'all see the size tag right there, size 13, it's personal size. Air Max 90, what's that say? University of Oregon Grateful Dead joints. So y'all already know what these are. Let's go ahead and slide open this box. A little slide out box action. The white Nike paper, and we're going to peel these things back. Ooh, Lord, man. And we have the Air Max 90 Grateful Dead joints, man. These things fire, bruh. I like them. I wasn't too sold on them at first. These ain't got a little bit of ashiness going on the bottom, multicolor on the side. Do have all of the logos and the animals right there. You know what I'm saying? On the insoles, a lot of details. Not gonna go into too much detail when it comes to these. I just want to show them to you real quick because I know he's gonna give you guys a review. He's probably gonna let me review them as well. Let me just show you guys the other one. You do get a ton of laces with these things. You know what I'm saying? They kind of just throw all the laces in there. I guess they were supposed to be inside of this one. Yeah, man. All in all, this is not a bad sneaker. The Air Max 90 Grateful Dead joints. Comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions about these things is. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Got my dog King Kilo. I'm up in here, man. Hey, man, like I said, my guy got all the hoop shoes. Y'all see the Sabrinas right here. He got these right here. Bro, I think he hooped in these this morning.
Yeah, I just got those.
Y'all see all the job boxes. The shades. We got the black shades right here.
You can review these.
Look, Ja Morant, Jais, man.
I wasn't playing about the Jais.
Man, my guy, hey, so sneaker of the year.
Ja 3,
Ja 3?
Easily.
Ooh.
Easily. It clears every other category, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Got these blue joints. I forgot the name of these.
The Mozzie Blues.
Mozzie Blues. Hold on, let's see. Y'all, man. I don't know, man. I like the opening night colorway that he had because it breaks it up, but these, man.
Those are clean. You're tripping.
Man, y'all let me know down below. So this is what we here for, boy.
Bro.
Oh, hold on.
1A, 1B, bro.
1A, 1B?
As far as like hooping, like I ain't gonna lie, like if you get the Jaws, go half a size up for like comfort.
Yeah.
But these true to size, on feet, ready to go, bro.
True to size, shades.
Gotta go
size up.
Yeah, you gotta go half a size up.
Man, I've been hearing full size, bro.
Nah, not even half a size, cause I bought a 13.5. This one right here. I bought a 13.5.
Ooh, y'all see them?
They literally feel just a little bit better than the 13. So like,
hey, hold on, let me see. I actually like them brown. I actually like these, bro. I actually like these.
But that's a 13.5, and I have a 13 in those too. So I got 2 of those.
Man, hold on. When did we get these LeBrons, bro?
Bro, them old, bro.
Man,
I ain't gonna wear those, bro.
My guy Hooper. Hey, y'all. So we up in King Kilo's lab now. What I want to do with this video is I want to show you guys the hoop shoes that's dropped, the Halloween version. So we got the book, the Jais, and the KDs. That's what he got here. So I kind of just want to go through those real quick, show them to you really quick because it's Halloween time. You feel what I'm saying? Kind of spooky season. And then I want to get his opinion on them because he's messed with these shoes. I haven't. Let's go ahead and start. Come on in here, man.
All right.
Come on here. All right, we're going to start with this one right here. This is going to be the Jai. So as you guys can see right here, here's the box. Super dope box. And like I said, I got his link down below. He's had a detailed review on all the Jaws. So if you want to check him out, go ahead and do that. So here you go. All right, man. What are your thoughts and opinions on this sneaker?
This is the best jaw colorway to release this year. Not gonna lie. This is the best jaw colorway.
It seems like it's got a lot of details in it. Hey, I'm off rip. This is my first time seeing it in person. Hey, man.
How close are they to the Grinches?
Stop it.
Bro, be for real though.
Stop it. So he put
be for real, like color wise and everything.
Hey, yeah. So yeah, look, he put the red laces in there. The kind of these came with it, right? This one you just doing.
Yeah.
So the red laces do come with it. To give you that Grinch vibe, even though it's a Halloween sneaker, colorway.
It's close.
Bro. It's close. Like I feel like they should have dropped these for Christmas. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
Yeah,
like
the only thing that's messed up on these is the brown swoosh on that medial side. This is trash.
Yeah, I don't understand why they did that.
Why they did this? This is trash. Nike, stop it, man. Just make it a black swoosh, bro.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that. And then of course they got that's the insole.
Mm-hmm.
That's spooky zombie jaw. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's super clean. That's tough. But I do get Grinch vibes. But hey, these things glow.
Yeah, they glow in the dark.
They glow in the dark. So I'll probably put something up for y'all to see that. I'll probably steal it from his video. But they do glow in the dark, super clean. These are tough. So this is gonna be the spooky season, right?
Yeah, it's like it has like 3 different names. I changed it. I actually spoke with Nike. I told them we're gonna change it to the Jaw 3 Grinches, and they approved it. So that might be changing a little bit.
So the next one, if y'all watch any of the live streams, so we got that one sitting back here. I said that this was the best looking Devin Booker I've seen. So here's the box, the book or whatever. So these gonna be the Halloween joints. Man, it's just this silhouette, fam. Like,
bro, look, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Like, I did the review and everything on this shoe, and I'm not mad at it. Like, I just don't know,
bro,
what I'm actually gonna wear with these for real.
So these glow in the dark too, right?
Yeah, they all glow.
Like the scorpions and stuff.
The scorpions, the laces, and then the tongue.
So y'all see on there, I'm gonna try to get it. Y'all see the scorpions, those glow in the dark. It kind of has an iridescent. This looks like patent leather. I'm gonna be honest with you, patent leather. You got the book up there on the tongue. The bottom glows. I'm pretty sure. Bruh. It's that Nike swoosh for me. That Nike swoosh look handicapped, bro. That Nike swoosh look weird, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I mean, these are straight.
They're not terrible.
What?
But the laces glow in the dark though.
The laces glow in the dark?
Yeah.
I'll probably put that up there for you guys to see as well, man. But I don't know. The outsole should have been like white. Man, I don't know, bro.
Yeah, this one's like a little iffy. I'm not gonna lie. Out of all 3 of these, this is probably like my last pick, to be honest with you. But they not terrible though. They're not terrible. But I just like, for me personally, I don't know what I would like wear with this shoe for real. Like,
what does that? What does
the little patent leather? I don't know.
Oh, that says Chapter 1 on the back. I don't know if y'all can see that. I thought they said Chat GPT.
Chat GPT,
yo. Okay, so that's the book. So we're gonna put the books here. We're gonna put the books here. All right. Then what are the KDs?
They're on that bottom row.
So we got the KDs. This is like a Jordan 12 box. You feel? I like the box.
Yeah, the box.
Now these right here. Hey,
straight, bro. I ain't lying.
These right here. Yo, I mess with these. These KDs. I feel like this silhouette was perfect for Halloween because that skeleton hand actually fits the silhouette. It's like, now I can't unsee it.
Yeah.
Like, after seeing it, I can't unsee it.
It fits the silhouette. It fits KD's whole vibe, the Slim Reaper. Like,
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, like, these are definitely in my number 2. Jaw 3 is number 1. These are my number 2 for sure.
So even when it comes to the Halloween aspect, the execution of the Halloween, you feel like the Jaw 1 still executed better with the Halloween, even though, Slim Reaper, skeleton on the side.
I'm not gonna say it was better executed for like Halloween, because I feel like those Jaw 3s are Christmas shoes to me, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But like,
oh, look on the inside, bro.
Yeah. A little Slim Reaper.
Oh man, hey, details. Now what glows on these? This looks 3M.
Yeah, this is 3M, and then the outsole glows.
Okay, so a little bit of razzle dazzle. So is the KD 3M? A little bit of razzle dazzle. What y'all think, man? Hey, look, bruh. These tough. I like these, bruh. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
These hard for sure.
Have you hooped in these?
I haven't hooped in these.
But you tried them on.
I tried them on. True to size. They fit true to size.
I was gonna say, so let's do that real quick for everybody. KD's true to size.
Yep.
KD's true to size. Books.
For the books, they fit true to size, but with the patent leather, I'd probably go up half a size.
Half a size if you're going for this pair, but outside of patent leather, you say true to size.
Outside of patent leather, true to size.
All right.
These
Ja Morants.
So I did a video on the sizing of these. So you could either go true to size if you just want to wear them. If you want to hoop them, you can go like your true to size 2 because I have a pair. But if you want a little bit more room, like a little bit more comfort, go up half a size. That's just me personally.
All right, so now that we did sizing, let's go ahead and do it, bro. All right, man. What we doing? Here we go.
We ranking them?
We ranking them.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so we got the Ja Morants at number 1.
Yeah.
This is for the Halloween edition, y'all. Spooky season. And then we got the KD's number 2 and the Books number 3. And then they had, I think they had like a GT cut.
Yeah,
and then they had like Air Maxes and stuff like that.
Yeah,
but this is what we going with. Y'all comment down below. Let us know what y'all thinking, man. Like I said, tap into his channel. The links are down below if you want some detailed reviews. He probably gonna let me review these as well. I'm gonna have some up here. But his videos have been going federal when it comes to the Jaws, because he's been saying this is sneaker of the year, bro.
Bro, the thing is, I've been a Ja fan since the beginning. Like the Ja 3s, when they first dropped, I was a fan since the beginning. He knows. He can vouch.
Yeah, but you've been a fan of this sneaker. You've been talking about this, like on this TikTok, that's all he's been talking about. It's how this is sneaker of the year. As a matter of fact, it was this particular sneaker
it was that one.
that he made a video and everybody was like, this dude bugging, bro.
It was bashing me, bro.
Yeah.
It was bashing me on that.
I think we going a little bit too much with the red laces, talking about Grinches. Before we wrap up this video, let's go ahead and get his opinion on it. Alright, y'all, great for that. I showed y'all a little bit of this at the beginning of the video, but we didn't have King Kilo here to talk to us. So what you think, man? What's your honest opinion, bro?
It ain't a bad shoe. Like the materials, like off rip, they look really good. This shoe just a lot more vibrant than I thought it was gonna be.
The air unit is solid. Check that out, y'all. I'm pretty sure the air unit is still in there, but it's solid. We got crazy laces, bro.
1,000 laces,
like,
bro.
dude.
This is a 3-way collab. Pause. Like I don't know if you're gonna say something, but you know what I'm saying. 3-way collab with Oregon and then the Grateful Dead and Nike. Solid shoe. Doesn't really go for that much right now, but I feel like this is definitely a good collector's piece.
You know what, bro? How they gonna give us all these laces with the $150 sneaker, but for $220 we don't get no extra laces?
Hey man,
ain't that crazy?
I gotta go talk to Lou, man. He's like the head CEO at Nike. We gotta talk to you, brother.
All right, y'all. So that's it, man. We gave y'all a lot today. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. I appreciate my dog King Kilo for letting me come through and review these sneakers. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. Subscribe to my dog. Link is down in the description section.
Yes,
y'all already know the sense,
in,
man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, everything, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. KICKnology.